Welcome investors! Today we are going to talk about another stress-free stock. My previous videos were about Disney, Waste Management, Caterpillar, Raytheon Technologies, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Bank of America. All those stocks are stress-free stocks. I'll put the link to those videos if you did not see them. Go and check them out. Today's stress-free stock is Dominion Energy. I had a chance to buy Dominion at the great price at the panic of March 2020. When everybody runs away from the stock market, I run into the stock market. In the second part of this video, I'll show you my holdings of Dominion Energy. So if you are interested, keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Dominion Energy produces and distributes energy. The company operates through three segments: Dominion Energy Virginia, Dominion Energy South Carolina, and contracted assets. The Dominion Energy Virginia segment generates, transmits, and distributes regulated electricity to residential, commercial, industrial, and governmental customers in Virginia and North Carolina. Dominion Energy South Carolina segment generates, transmits, and distributes electricity and natural gas to residential, commercial and industrial customers in South Carolina. The contracted assets segment is involved in the energy marketing and price risk activities. As of December 31st, 2020, the company's portfolio of assets included approximately 30.2 gigawatt of electric generating capacity, 10,500 miles of electric transmission lines, 85,600 miles of electric distribution lines, and 94,200 miles of gas distribution lines. It serves approximately 7 million customers. The company sells electricity at wholesale prices to the rural electric cooperatives and municipalities, as well as into the wholesale electricity markets. The company was formerly known as Dominion Resources and changed its name to Dominion Energy in May 2017. Dominion Energy was incorporated in 1983 and is headquartered in Richmond, Virginia. 18% of Dominion's total electric production comes from coal. 22% comes from nuclear power, 32% comes from natural gas, 9% comes from oil, 12% comes from hydro and other renewables, and 7% from other sources. So as you see, 22% comes from nuclear. Nuclear means uranium. You guys know that I am a big on uranium, and I have 47,000 shares of Energy Fuels. But Energy Fuels is just opposite stock to Dominion Energy. Energy Fuels is a stressful stock, unpredictable. It can unleash great gains for you, or it can unleash great losses. So let's leave the uranium stock and focus on stress-free Dominion Energy stock. Let's take a look at the revenue and net income for past 5 years for Dominion Energy.
Total revenue for Dominion Energy for 2016 was $11.7 billion. 2017 is $12.6 billion. 2018 is $11.2 billion. 2019 is $14.4 billion, and 2020 is $14.2 billion. Let's take a look at the net income. Net income looks like for 2016 is 2.1 billion, 2017 3 billion, 2018 2.4 billion, 2019 is 1.4 billion, and 2020 is minus $401 million. The reason behind this negative income is that Dominion Energy basically sold the gas transmission and storage segment to Berkshire Hathaway, and also because of cancellation of Atlantic Coast Pipeline project and charges associated with the planned early retirement of electric generation facilities in Virginia. So basically those are the reasons for the net income in 2020 being negative.
And now let's take a look at my shares of Dominion Energy. Only one regret I have is that I didn't buy more shares of Dominion when they were at the deep discount.
My shares of Dominion Energy I bought on March 23rd, 2020. I bought 50 shares. I paid for each share $58.30. And as of right now, April 17, 2021, one share costs $78. So the total cost of my investment in Dominion is $3,074.31. And as of right now, April 17, 2021, market value of this investment is $4,106.93. It is 33% increase in value. It is not as big as my another shares, for example, Disney, or let's take a look here upstairs at the Delta Airlines, which I bought about the same time, and total cost was $4,309.97, and market value as of right now is $9,188.08. So it's pretty much almost 100% increase in value. But Dominion Energy, it is the utility company. It doesn't go that much. It's not that volatile stock like airline stock, like Delta stock, which a year ago was hated. That's why my appreciation on Delta is 100%, more than 100%, and the appreciation on Dominion is only 33%. So that is the reason. That is the major difference between those two stocks. And Dominion, of course, it's a stress-free stock. Delta, there is some stress associated with owning a Delta, because it is a very, very volatile business. It's not like Dominion Energy, which provides electricity, provides gas, provides services which are going to be with us for many years to come. With airlines industry, we never know what's gonna happen next year, if we are going to have maybe another shutdown or another health crisis, and the airline industry is going to be brought to its knees again. So that is the difference between airlines industry and utility industry.
So maybe Dominion is not doing so well as my Disney shares are doing right now, but I'm not really worried about that. Dominion is a stress-free stock if it's bought at the right price. And I was lucky to live through the market panic in March 2020 and make a quick decision about buying the shares. Below this video, I'll post links to my previous stress-free stocks which I own, which are JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Disney, Waste Management, Raytheon Technologies, and there are more of them. In the near future, I'll make more videos about them. Those are my favorite stocks and treasures which I don't have to worry about anymore until my retirement, 2035. And like always, remember, this is just my subjective opinion about Dominion stock. If you are interested in this stock, please do much deeper research. There is much more out there about this stock than this what you just heard right here. If you find any interesting info about Dominion Energy, please share this right here with us. And couple more things about investing. Please learn investing from books, not from videos. When you're reading books, you're learning. When you're watching videos, you're just entertaining your mind. And like always, if you like this video, please hit the thumb up. Share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, all social media all over. I greatly appreciate your help with building very simple investing channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I deeply appreciate your time being with me. Have a great day!